Look at this. There's 3,195 people in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you guys came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the markets. That's the important stuff. Also, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups, trading ideas. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin is at 95.50. 12-hour chart. You can see Bitcoin broke above this resistance level, now possibly testing as support. This is a 4-hour chart. Bitcoin RSI is overbought, actually came out of overbought territory. You've got a possible bearish MACD cross now. Bitcoin hasn't been able to break and hold above about 9,600 on this recent run up. However, you do have bullish crosses of all the major moving averages, which is a good indication of a strong uptrend in the works. This is an hourly chart. I had this rising wedge drawn, 68% chance of a break lower. It did break to the downside. I didn't get much volume here though, so that makes me wonder if this is a valid trend line. Possibly we see one more move higher up to 97.50. So volume confirmation is important. However, there is this, if the price action doesn't continue higher, it looks like it's getting rejected off this $9,600 level. This high doesn't break above this high, you'll have a possible head and shoulders bearish pattern. Okay, so again, all eyes on Bitcoin right now. These altcoins have been on fire lately though. But overall, you just have to think that, you know, hey, this price action is going to continue in this pattern. You know, we could see 9,800, 10,000, and then possibly even 10,500 would be this upper range up here as far as this rising channel goes. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady emailed me and she said, when I joined the group, I didn't even know how to copy and paste while sending money to exchanges. Now I'm trading with confidence. And this has happened in a couple months. Most people that join the group are completely new. I made around 65% in a month on your Tomo setup. Over 113% return on investment since May. What? Are you kidding me? This is trading conservatively. I can't even fathom all of this. It's surreal. I wake up so excited nowadays, feeling so blessed. Dude, that's how I feel every day. It's crazy. It's like I'm sharing this idea and teaching people this thing, and they have this aha moment and they see it and they're like, I wish I would have seen this before. Like, yeah, now I know why I got wrecked in 2018. I didn't understand this. Like, you give people this vision so they can see the market, how it really works. Smart money trades on these ideas. Why are they called smart money? Because they know these ideas. Let me help you step your game up and learn to trade this market. You can see this is our portfolio. Moon edition, up 113%. This person, super nice young lady, her and her husband trade, and she started with $10,000. As of today, $21,000. So over $11,000 made in the trading group. This person was up 214% in SXP leveraged trade. Amazing results in the trading group. If you are sick and tired of working for somebody else, if you want to work from the comforts of your home, on a laptop, by the beach, wherever you want to work, learn to trade this market. Game changes completely. You guys want to join the group, get the 40 to 50% off discount. So crypto payments of 6 or 12 months right now are 40 to 50% off. Right now I can do PayPal payments. Year only, I've got about 5 PayPal payments I can take for the year. So if you want to do that, send me an email. Shout out to SPM. This person hit me up on Twitter and said, how do you know where to take profits at? Can you advise me? Make sure, follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. If you guys have questions, hit me up there. I'll copy them over here and we'll get you guys a bunch of these questions answered. So you want to take profits. Here's how you want to look at this market. This is IOTX. I'm going to talk about it in a second, but all of these white lines are resistance levels. Okay, so there are points where the price action runs up and gets rejected, runs up and gets rejected. Okay, so this is resistance. If you were to look at the order book, all the sellers are right here. Sellers, they sell. You get these sell walls, right? So you want to take profits right before the sellers, the sell wall. Why? Because that's where everybody else is going to take profits. In this market, everybody is trying to trade against everybody, okay? People are trying to take your money. You're trying to take their money. That's just how it works. Now, when you're taking profits, you want to take profits before overhead resistance. And so these targets are merely resistance levels or sellers. All the sellers are going to be stacked at these levels because they were previously. This is a self-fulfilling prophecy in a sense because it's happened in the past and people use these same exact levels as take profit levels, and then you want to front run or do it a little bit before everybody else. Everything you do in this market, you want to do. You want to buy a little bit sooner, take profits a little bit sooner. You always want to be a step ahead. It's like chess. You got to think a step ahead. So shout out to SPM for this question. I saw this come across my news feeds. Bitcoin defined as money under DC law, federal court says. And I said, not just money, life-changing money. This is huge, guys. I'm going to cover this story near the end, so make sure and stay tuned for that. Real quick, these are the up-to-date events that we have left, and Augur's taken off recently. And I've talked to you guys about it all month. REP, Augur version 2 launch. You got Shelly hard fork coming on the 29th. ERD mainnet launch July the 30th. Elastos has an 80% token burn coming on July the 30th. Again, the main thing is whenever you have these news catalysts, it definitely gives a lot of fuel to the price action of these setups. So you add some TA to some news-based ideas. Retail buys these news-based ideas, right? So you put that behind strong technical ideas, you're going to make a ton of money in this market. WanChain came out and they said sign up now to hear WanChain founder, CEO speak on August the 5th at the all-free DeFi conference 2020. So everybody's like WanChain DeFi, and it pumped immediately. I'm telling you, the pump phenomenon, the DeFi pump phenomenon is here. WanChain has a testnet launch, 5.0 testnet launch. September the 30th. Put it on your whiteboard to remember it. Also, Byte has stable coins and white paper coming on the same day, September 30th. Get organized. This is a business. You're trying to make life-changing money, have a plan. IOTX is coming. I just talked to you about it. I'm going to give you details on that setup in just a second. But they've got the UCam is set to launch their little camera device, blockchain-based camera device is going to launch on Amazon by the end of the month. Thorchain is being added to Binance, and these coins, when they get added to Binance, the pump phenomenon. Rune is the ticker, R-U-N-E. So watch for this on Binance. These are high risk, but boy, there's some money inside. I wouldn't use huge amounts, but you can definitely make some money on these run-ups. Hold on to the trades longer that you're in because the real money is made over days and weeks, not hours or minutes. Like, don't get stuck on these lower term time frames. You see a 5%, 10%, 15% drop. Dude, wait for the 100% gains. Like when this market is trending higher like it is now for these small cap altcoins, the easiest money you're going to make in this market, period. But be patient. Sit it and forget it. This is great. A great strategy. If you're busy, I was planting seeds. I was buying back in May, and I'm in significant profits all across the board because these coins have been exploding over time. You just have to be patient. You use super tight stop losses on these trades, you're going to get stopped out. You're going to lose a bunch of money. Stop losses can work against you if you don't know how to use them correctly. Okay, but loose stop losses, let them run, let them run, let them run, and you will make a ton of money. There's a lot of upside, but Bitcoin makes a big move, and you get these huge negative downside moves on your, as far as the price action goes on your altcoins, and you take losses because you're getting stopped out repeatedly, and then they recover and bounce back. So hold on to your trades right now. Now, when the market is trending lower, you cannot do this. You cannot do this. But right now, it works amazing. So here's IOTX. I gave you guys this setup just, I believe, yesterday or the day before. Originally, I bought IOTX down here. It was up 132%. I didn't nail the top. I think I made 100% on this one. But then it retraced. Well, I got stuck kind of holding it through this consolidation, okay? Because you pull your fib level, and it basically bottomed out at the 0.618 fib level, right? Which is like golden pocket, right? So, but then you can just imagine for a month holding a coin, it really doesn't do a whole lot. So that's part of midterm holding. However, now it's taken off and it's up considerably. Possibly I'll make another 100% off of IOTX. Now, so I gave this to you guys previously. I adjusted this to a new entry idea. So you're buying the breakout here. Over here, this green number right here is where the price action's at. This number right here is where you're going to buy the breakout of. But make sure it's a confirmed breakout. So you want to have a candle body close above that confirmation line, right? If you're waiting on 15-minute chart candle bodies to close, like, you're going to get a ton of fake outs. If you go to some of the higher time frames, you're going to miss a lot of the move. You know, if you're going to wait for 4-hour candle closes, but that's okay if you're a long-term trader. Now, I find that, you know, kind of the 1-hour chart's kind of a good, you know, sweet spot for this idea. But if you're a real long-term trader, you can use a 4-hour. And you'll get very good confirmation of these breakouts. So for IOTX, waiting for the breakout above this level. Again, targets are considerably higher, so there's a lot of upside here for IOTX. This is Ethereum USDT. I gave this to you a few days ago. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So the target, I had 282. I think on one other chart I had 285. It's about there. It's about there. Ethereum killing it. 17% price gains out of Ethereum. That doesn't happen very often. But you guys had this set up. Glad to help you guys. I got a ton of thank yous for Ethereum. It means a lot to me to get these thank yous from you guys. Like, it really does. Like, it drives me. It drives me to stay up sleepless nights and dig deep and dive into this market and make sure, let me do the work for you. I'm a worker, man. This is how I'm built. Let me do the work for you. Let me help you make a ton of money in this market. Watching the channel. This is Bitcoin dominance, and I'm cheerleading for this to continue lower because these altcoins will continue to explode. So it was trying to put in a double bottom, but it might be losing the support level. If we see 61% Bitcoin dominance, man, these altcoins have a ton of upside ahead of us. BNB. Anybody buy BNB? Anyone? Why would you buy BNB out of the blue? Well, Chris, why would we buy BNB? Why? Because we talked about it yesterday, and it's an easy midterm hold. Easy midterm hold profits. Because they have an IEO, which hasn't been announced what it's going to be, but it's coming. And so people buy BNB and hold it for an extended period of time. They have to hold a bunch of BNB to have a chance at getting into the lottery for this IEO. And you see, BNB, since I gave it to you guys, essentially you'd be buying the breakout of this. But now, new entry idea. Let's say you missed it. Here's what I want you to look at. You want to buy the breakout of this level. Buy the breakout of this level. There's a lot of upside here. BNB is very bullish. Just broke out of a falling wedge. Just broke out of a triangle. Now buy the breakout of this level. Watch. Life-changing money. Now it's BNB. It's not going to move. You're not going to see 90% gains in a day out of BNB. Like CDT, I was trying to give you guys this and it exploded. It broke out. I can't get these videos done enough, but buy the breakout of this level, boom, big gains. Up, I think it was up 20-something%. Got 30% gains here. Posted this last night, broke out this morning. I was going to go over it on your in the video today. Gosh, BNB will make up for it. Bitcoin deemed money under DC financial services law. Huge, life-changing money, it should say. The virtual currency, known as Bitcoin, is a form of money covered under the Washington, D.C. Money Transmitters Act, a federal court said Friday. Basically, the court's saying, hey, this guy there's some things going on the dark web. Imagine that. They were trying to get it tossed out in court, saying that, this wasn't money laundering. And the judge said, yeah, actually, this is money, right? Anything that a medium of exchange, a method of payment, or a store of value, Bitcoin is these things. So again, this guy's in trouble for laundering money under federal law. Stands up in court. Bitcoin is these things. Life-changing money. Here we go. Chainlink ranked the top DeFi project on CoinMarketCap. Again, you go to CoinMarketCap, these are ranked by overall market cap. So it is the largest DeFi token based on the market cap of Chainlink. So again, this is something new that Binance has added, just another feather in the cap of DeFi, knowing that it's being recognized on this level. DeFi is so hot right now. Anything DeFi, boom. As TikTok spyware rumor swirls, crypto apps safety in the spotlight. I hate giving out personal information. Man, like some of these things, if somebody ever hits you up for personal information, don't give it out. Don't give it out unless you have to. Like a lot of these exchanges, you can skip KYC. If you're in the United States, you're going to have to do a bunch of KYC. KYC, these exchanges in the United States, at least they are regulated. But then you just have to figure out, like, what are they going to do with your data? How do they store it? Is it safe? There's so many things, so many hoops you have to jump through. If anything does happen, as far as if your social just gets out there floating around in cyberspace, like, you ever get that, take a picture of your driver's license front and back, and I'm just thinking, this is not what I want to be doing. TikTok has found itself in hot water over security issues. First, it was axed in India, along with 58 other Chinese applications, for stealing and transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner. Great, sounds safe. Later, it became a major target for Trump's administration against the backdrop of America's faltering relationship with China. It was even banned by Wells Fargo and Amazon. They said, you guys cannot use TikTok. Man. The only thing worse than government intervention is when the company you work for says you can't use something. Like, that's still just a little bit too much. Quit your jobs, work for yourselves, trade crypto. Like, I don't even want to deal with government oversight at all. I'm going to do what I want. Who were Wells Fargo and Amazon to say, hey, you can't use it? Anyways, point is this. Amazon came back and they said, hey, we're not prohibiting TikTok anymore. You have to be very careful. Information we give out because it's not so much like, hey, that exchange has malintent. It's more of not maybe storing your data in the safest possible way, right? And so that has to be a concern. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. ETH booming, hit the target, booming.